All right, in this video we're going to go over the G D7 chord, working with the music right in front of us. Here are the chords, just in case you can't remember. So remember, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That is the string names, and the string names as well are up here. So we have 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that's E, A, D, G, B, E. Or if you want to do it in Spanish, it's Mi, La, Re, Sol, Mi. So we're going to start with the G chord using your fingers 3, 2, and 4. And it's going to look like this. Next one is D7, which is 2, 1, and 3. And it should look like this. So what we're going to do is we're going to count. We're going to do this first measure up here, just quarter notes. So each drum's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's going to go like this. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's it. And if you could do that about 3-4 times continuously, that would be great. Next one, we're going to deal with eighth notes. And instead of 1, 2, we're going to have an and in between each strum. So it's going to be 1 and 2 and. So theoretically, you're going to be playing more notes here than you would here because of the ands. So it's going to go 1 and 2 and. So let's start that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and. That's it. And again, same thing, you're going to do that 3-4 times.